Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing your email address in the Momondo app. Whether you're updating your contact information or switching to a new email, this tutorial will help you make the change smoothly. First, open the Momondo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, select the option labeled Account. Then, tap on the Email section. You'll be prompted to enter your new email address. After entering it, click on Continue to proceed. Finally, Momondo will send a verification code to your new email address. Check your inbox for this code, enter it into the app, and your email address will be updated automatically. Changing your email in the Momondo app is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can ensure your contact information is up to date, allowing for seamless communication regarding your travel plans.